Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and it's pretty much fall. And as fall approaches, it's hard to explain. We normally get these absolutely gorgeous sunsets, and right now it looks like we're going to get one of them. As you can see behind me, it is beyond gorgeous, so I figured I want to go ahead and take you guys on the beach, get the drone in the sky, and give you guys a seagull's point of view of what this beautiful sunset is going to look like. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them that I can literally drop everything that I'm doing right on the beach and share with you this beautiful sunset. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's head to the beach. So I'm really not joking when I say that towards the end of the summer, we get these kind of sunsets that are just beyond beautiful. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because it's cooler at night. Like right now, I think tonight's gonna be like 65 degrees. I know, not summer. It's kind of sad. But all that being said, it creates these beautiful skies of like pinks and oranges and reds. And so for the past 2 nights, that's what we've been having, but it's been kind of windy, so I couldn't put the drone in the sky. But right now, we've got literally no clouds in the sky. Actually, what's out there? That's an airplane. So I figured it's going to be perfect. So we're going to walk maybe like right down 22nd Street and put the drone in the sky. Hopefully get some really cool shots of the boardwalk and then the sunset. And hopefully we get some of those pinks, reds, and oranges. Anyway, let's walk down to the water and get the drone in the sky. That was our sunset. I know it wasn't as, gold and pink and red, but we still got some amazing shots. And I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.